Stop wasting hours writing your YouTube scripts manually. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build this exact AI automation that takes a topic from Google Sheets, generates a full script with Gemini, and saves it instantly in Google Drive. All of this, in just one click. Let's build it. First, we need a place to store our video ideas. I created a simple Google Sheet and named it YouTube Video Ideas. Inside, I set up two columns, Topic and Status. Then, I added our very first idea, how to make money with N8N and AI. Now, let's jump into N8N. Go to n8n.io and click on Get Started to create your free account. Just follow the quick setup steps on your screen to create your workspace. I'm going to fast forward through this part. If you don't know what N8N is, it's basically like digital Legos. It lets you connect different apps together, like Google Sheets, AI, and Google Docs, to automate your work without writing a single line of code. When the pop-up appears, just click Build a Workflow to open your blank canvas. Now, let's click right here on Add First Step. Type Google Sheets in the search bar. And select Get Rows in Sheet. Next, we need to connect our Google account. Under Credential, just click the drop-down, select Create New Credential, and sign in with your Google account. It takes 2 seconds. Once you see Account Connected, just close this window to go back to the node settings. Now, under Document, click Choose and select your YouTube Video Ideas sheet. Then, under Sheet, select Sheet 1. Now, let's hit Execute Step. Perfect. As you can see on the right side, N8N successfully pulled our topic from Google Sheets. Step 1 is officially done. Now, let's click on this little plus icon next to Google Sheets, search for Google Gemini, and under Text Actions, select Message a Model. Now, before we write our prompt, we need to connect Gemini. Under Credential, just click on Set up Credential so we can link our API key. Now, just paste your API key in this field and click Save. This will link your Gemini account to N8N so we can start generating content. If you don't have an API key yet, don't worry, it's completely free. Just go to Google AI Studio and look at the bottom left menu to open the API Keys dashboard. Once you're here, just click on the Create API Key button at the top right. A small pop-up will appear, leave the default project selected and click Create Key. There you go. Your new key is generated. Just click Copy Key right here, and we can head back to N8N to paste it. Now that it's saved and we see connection tested successfully, let's close this window to get back to our prompt setup. Great! Now to write our prompt, let's first type Write a YouTube script about inside the prompt box. Then, instead of typing the topic manually, we can simply drag and drop it from the input on the left straight to the end of our text. See that? N8N automatically turns it into a dynamic variable. Now, let's scroll back up slightly and hit that big orange Execute Step button to see Gemini generate our script. And there we go. On the right side, Gemini just generated a complete, high-quality YouTube script based on our Google Sheet topic, including the titles, hooks, and full scenes. This is exactly what we wanted. Let's close this node by clicking the X at the top right to go back to our canvas. Now, click on the plus icon right after Gemini, search for Google Sheets, and this time, select the Update Row action. Now, for the final step, we need to update the status in our Google Sheet. Under Document, select YouTube Video Ideas again, and under Sheet, choose Sheet 1. Next, under Column to Match On, we need to select row_number, so N8N knows exactly which row it needs to update. Perfect. Now, under Values to Update, we need to dynamic link our row number. Just clear that 0, and drag row_number from our initial input on the left right into this box. Finally, let's head down to the Status field and simply type Done. Everything looks perfect. The row number is dynamically linked to row 2, and our status is set to Done. Now, let's hit that orange Execute Step button at the top right to finalize the update. And it's a success. As you can see in the output on the right, row number 2 has officially been updated to Done. Our entire automation is now complete and fully operational. And there you have it. Here is our complete automation workflow. We start by triggering the system, it pulls a video idea from Google Sheets, Gemini automatically generates a full script for us, and finally, N8N updates the sheet status to Done. Wait a second, our sheet now says Done, but where is our script? Right now, it's nowhere. N8N processed it, but we didn't save it. Let's fix this by adding one final node. Click the plus icon after Gemini, search for Google Docs, and select Create a Document. If it's your first time using Google Docs in N8N, you'll see a Sign in with Google prompt. This is completely normal. N8N just needs your secure permission to create and save files on your Google Drive. Simply click it, connect your account, and you're good to go. First, drag and drop the topic variable into the title field. Next, under Folder, select script_N8N, that's the folder we created earlier in Google Drive. Now, just click that orange Execute Step button at the top right to create the document. Perfect. As you can see in the output on the right, our blank document is created and N8N gave us its unique ID. Now, let's close this window, go back to the canvas, and add one final Google Docs node right after this one. This time, we will set the operation to Append, so we can finally paste our Gemini script inside. Click the plus icon right after this node and search for Google Docs. Set the resource to Document and the operation to Update. For the document ID, switch to Expression and drag the ID from our previous step. Finally, under Text, just drop the text variable from Gemini. Now, everything is fully automated. Let's hit that orange Execute Step button at the top right to see the magic happen in real time. And there it goes. Once the execution is complete, let's jump over to Google Drive. Open up that new document, and look at that, our complete YouTube script is fully generated and beautifully written inside. Completely hands-free. Now, what if you have multiple video ideas? Watch this. I'm going to add 2 new topics into my sheet, Top 5 N8N Automations for Beginners and How to Automate Your Emails with AI, each on its own row. Make sure to type To Do in the status column next to your new titles. This tells N8N exactly which rows it needs to pick up and process. Let's head back to N8N, close this node window to see the whole canvas, and click the big Execute Workflow button at the very bottom. And look at that. N8N automatically loops through every single row, reads the new topics, and handles everything for us in seconds. The workflow executed successfully. Now, let's head over to Google Drive to check the results. As you can see, our new documents are right here. The first one appears twice because we ran that single test earlier, but look at the others, fully generated. Finally, let's jump back to our sheet, and look at that, the To Do status has automatically switched to Done for every processed video. The system works perfectly. Think about how much time this saves you. Drop 50 video ideas into this sheet, and come back to 50 fully written scripts ready for production. You can download this exact N8N template for free in the description below.